Today, I will teach you how to volumize your hair naturally. How to add and get volume to your hair easy and fast. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell, like this video, comment, and share. Having limp, lifeless hair is not something you have to settle for. With a keratin shampoo and a slight change to your hair care routine, you'll be bringing more volume and life into your locks in no time. Here are 5 simple tips to volumizing your hair naturally, including the best volumizing shampoo. 1. Change your part. Your hair has a natural parting, which might not be the same as the parting you actually prefer. When it comes to volumizing your hair, it is important to change your part regularly. If your hair stays in one style for too long, it weighs down from the root and lies flat. Flipping your part to the other side creates instant volume and allows your roots to lift for a change. If you're worried about your new parting looking a tad lopsided, do it while your hair is wet, but be gentle when combing wet hair. 2. Dry differently. What is your hair care routine for drying wet hair? Although it is not recommended to use heat styling tools on your hair too often, if you're dying for a volumizing quick fix, grab your blow dryer and dry your wet hair upside down. It might be simple, but it works because you're allowing the root to lift from the scalp. Alternatively, and for days when you're taking a break from blow drying, scrunch your damp hair with your fingers and allow it to air dry. This adds texture to your hair as it dries and decreases the chance of frizz. 3. When in doubt, get a cut. If your hair is feeling hopeless and limp, it is time for a cut. For added volume to fine, thin hair, ask your hairdresser to give you some more layers when you get your next cut. Adding layers is a simple solution to boosting volume in your hair because it gives your hair texture, remove the extra weight and adds a natural brightness. Other cuts that add volume are shoulder length blunt cut, angled bobs and long layers. 4. Massage your scalp. It sounds so straightforward and easy, but massaging your scalp will help bring volume and body to your hair. Scalp massages can increase hair thickness and strength because you are stimulating the follicles. This in turn also helps increase blood flow to your scalp and will help your hair grow quicker. 5. Use a volumizing shampoo. When in need of volume, the most important factor to consider is your current shampoo and conditioner. They might clean your hair, but they could also be weighing it down and therefore preventing you from gaining natural volume. You'll want to make sure to get a volumizing shampoo as soon as possible. The best volumizing shampoo will be a biotin shampoo because it is full of essential nutrients and proteins for thicker, fuller hair. Biotin also makes for a great keratin shampoo. Keratin prevents your hair from falling limp and helps lock in volume. Any content you want us to feature on this channel? Let us know in the comments section below.